Ever feel overqualified but underpaid? I know that feeling. After I graduated college, I couldn't find the right opportunity. When I finally did, I knew I was getting underpaid and I was meant for more. And many people live life like that. Maybe you're an athlete, a nurse, a professional in your career, and deep down, you know you're overworked, you're underpaid, and you're ready for more. But you do not need another job. You need the right environment, the right culture, and the right mentorship to help you transition and grow. At the Catalyst Agency, we have driven individuals transition into the financial services space, part-time or full-time, developing your skills, leadership, and income potential while helping families. No experience required, but work ethic, discipline, coachability are non-negotiable. If you're ready to explore something real, comment more below or DM me info. Let's talk professionally, privately, and see if this is a fit.